My name's Mark Wagner. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. My focus is the hip and the young adult. I grew up in a family, both my parents were physicians. One was family practice, one was emergency room. I think my parents were very reticent to try and push each of us into their career, so they were mostly tried to push us away from medicine than anything. I actually enjoyed medicine. It was fascinating to me to be able to kind of pursue a career that would help me not only understand the human body a little bit better, but how to fix it and how to help people make them better and, contribute to a better quality of life. Going into medical school, I really didn't know quite what I wanted to do initially. I've always been mechanical throughout my life. I've always been kind of a fixer, building stuff. When I first did the first couple rotations, it was really cool to see oh my God, here's a hip that we were able to fix, and you take someone from a wheelchair and that day they're up out of their wheelchair walking. And that was a huge oh my gosh, this isn't just, hey, we'll change some medications and something in your blood will get better. It was the visual satisfaction of watching someone just change before your eyes was incredible. And that just worked well with me being a kind of very hands-on type person. I have two small kids. We enjoy outdoors. I enjoy fly fishing when I can. I enjoy skiing when I can, just getting up and out of the city, anything out of the city, traveling, spending time with the kids is the majority of my life right now, which is fantastic. So if I wasn't an orthopedic surgeon, I think I'd be a good architect. I just love kind of putting things together and then essentially kind of building it, which again is very kind of orthopedic in nature. I think when I do woodworking or projects at home, I don't think there's a tool on my workbench that I don't have in the operating room. There's a very good equality to doing that kind of activity.